Around 8 million. So there are 8.2, 36.6, 36.75. 36.75. So ano siya? Wala yung 3 liters. This one is more. Definition of project ay hours in the ano siya? Leading, lang from leading dari mapag-ulo. Mula, bigla. But nakabatun sa people. So, kapag yung siga. Pero, ganun siya, if you want to have it up just like this, pwede mo.
Ano sa yung name, Ani?
Smart intercom. And also smart door is part of the deliverable unit. And here the toilet and bath has also a lavatory, toilet and bowl, bidet, and also with shower. So this is the deliverable unit. And also here, look at that, it's a fully finished. This is a 1 bedroom here in B Residences. That is the part of the deliverable unit, the smart intercom, and also here with sink, countertop, with lower cabinet, and also the upper cabinet.